first video of 2025. Wishing you all a happy new year. Atma Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel Hamsa Path. Today we are focusing on the first full moon of the year happening on January 13th, also known as Wolf Moon. And this falls under the gentle yet deeply intuitive sign of Cancer. I'm so excited to share a brand new ritual to harness the nurturing emotional energy of this special moon. This January, full moon is in Cancer, a water sign, known for its emotional depth, intuition, and nurturing energy. Cancer is ruled by the moon itself, making this particular full moon extra potent for emotional healing and self-care. You might notice heightened sensitivity or a deeper need for comfort and emotional security around this time. Embrace it, as this is your chance to connect with the softer side of yourself and those you love. Before moving on to the ritual, more than 60% people who watch my videos haven't yet subscribed. If you like this video or any of my other content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It costs you nothing, but it really does make a big difference to me and helps me continue to grow and bring you value in my videos for free. Thank you so much. Now let's get prepared for the ritual. Gather your favorite crystals. I recommend moonstone, rose quartz or selenite for this Cancer moon. Also grab a journal, a pen and any other sacred items that resonate with you, like your favorite candle or essential oils. If you want to enhance that watery Cancer vibe, having a bowl of water or a saltwater bath can help connect you to the moon's oceanic tidal energy. Let's get into the steps of the ritual now. Clear your space, as I always say. Clear your space with sage, palo santo, or simply an intention of purity. Light a candle to symbolize illumination and set a soothing ambience. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Feel your feet or seat connected to the earth. With each exhale, release any tension. Visualize a radiant silver light coming from the moon, gently enveloping you in a calming glow. Take a moment to face a window or go outside if you can, gazing at the moon. If it's not visible, simply imagine it shining above you. Sense the nurturing motherly energy of Cancer washing over you like a gentle wave. Now open your journal. Write down what's been stirring emotionally for you lately. Under a Cancer full moon, emotional truths can bubble to the surface. So write freely. No judgment. You can write anything you want. And if tears also start to come, let them come. This is the release that helps us heal. Place a bowl of water in front of you. Infuse it with gratitude and any intentions for emotional balance, self-compassion or deeper intuition. Then gently swirl the water with your fingertips, imagining the water absorbing all your stress or unwanted energy. If you have something to let go of, like fears, doubts, or limiting beliefs, write each one on a small piece of paper and then submerge that paper in the water. Or you can tear it up and put it in the water. Put it in the water, imagining that those blocks are dissolving. Now breathe in relief and exhale gratitude. Then discard this water into the washroom later. Now to close the ritual, thank the moon and yourself for this healing experience. Then blow out your candle with intention, knowing you have honored this lunar phase and your own emotional journey. Keep your journal safe and feel free to revisit these pages next month to see how far you've come. Now some more tips for this full moon. This full moon in Cancer can bring up a lot of feelings. But remember, emotions are powerful messengers, so let them flow. Over the next couple of days, you might feel a strong urge for cozy self-care like hot baths, comfort food, or spending time with your loved ones. Indulge in that, and you will be working in harmony with the cosmic energy. Lastly, if you have any crystals, you can charge them, and you can also prepare moon water at this time. Now, thank you for joining me for this January full moon ritual. If you try it out, let me know in the comments how you felt and what insights you have gained. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep shining your light. Atma Namaste.